Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you something really simple and cute. So I'm going to show you how to paint little flowers like this. I have given it a try a couple of times, so I'm going to show you how I did it, and it's super simple. You should do it in like 5 minutes. So I have my paints prepped. So I have a little bit of indigo, blue and turquoise, like a blue green, and more like a blue turquoise. And then I have my brushes ready. I have a Resable series 350D number 8, and it's just a dagger brush. So it's soft, it's synthetic, and it's made by Holbein. And then I am also going to use this black Resable series 700F, size number 4. And it's I don't think it's synthetic, but it has this like shape. I don't know what it is called really, but so it's made in Japan, and I'm going to just be using these two brushes for the flowers. And if I want to add some detail, I am going to be using this Surukami brush, and which I find at Tokyo Hands. I think the purpose is for fabric or something like that, but it works really great for like small details for the center of the flowers. And then this super tiny synthetic brush for like more details. This doesn't have any brand. I bought it in like a local art store. So this is what I'm going to use. So I'll show you how I did these flowers super quickly. So I'm going to be using mostly this color, very watered down, with like a touch of indigo. That's the first flower. I'll give you a closer look for the second flower. So it's really simple, just a few brush strokes and your flower is like done. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do the stem and the leaves with my other brush. So it's the same concept. I am going to be using now this color, but like watered down, so I add a lot of water. And then I'm going to just add a touch of indigo. now that I have this, I'm just going to add a little bit of detail with my Surikami brush and just a little bit of indigo. Just, I'm going to tap it a little bit. And just a tiny little bit. And that's it. We're done. Hope you guys like it.